The Union Environment Ministry has slammed the construction at Lavasa and has called it illegal, but the project will not be demolished. Instead, a penalty will have to be paid and the environment there restored. It seems to be a somewhat different approach to what happened and in the Adarsh case.
Construction at Lavasa is illegal, yet the project will not be demolished. A surprise reprieve contained in the Union Environment Ministry report submitted to the Bombay High Court. The report says,
Lavasa is in violation of the Environmental Impact Assessment Notification. The site visit report has also brought out the nature and magnitude of the environmental damage caused by the project. But taking into account the investments already incurred, the employment generated and the claimed upliftment of the area under consideration, the Ministry of Environment and Forests is prepared to consider the project on certain conditions.
The conditions: Lavasa will pay a substantial penalty. It will also create an environmental restoration fund for the area, and it will ensure no further environmental degradation takes place and existing degradation is rectified.
The Environment Ministry's order does in fact say that Lavasa has to submit to the Environment Ministry all details of its investments so that perhaps a figure for a fine that could be imposed on Lavasa can be worked out.
Lavasa's response: it had begun construction after taking clearance from the state government and that it had halted the degradation. In November, the Environment Ministry had issued the Lavasa Hill City project a show-cause notice stopping all construction, alleging 47 hectares of the project had been built above the sanctioned 1,000 meters and construction plan was modified without the centre's clearance. Even the developers admitted to making mistakes.
100% बोलू शकत नाही की हे सगळं केलेलं आहे ते perfect आहे.
2 weeks back, the ministry's survey also found large-scale cutting of hills had changed the topography. The development controls were flexible and a lot of damage was done for sake of speedy development. Yet, only a penalty has been sought to let the project stay.
मुझे लगता है कि पैसे का दंड तो बहुत कम होता है ऐसे लोगों के लिए, तो जिन लोगों ने इन कानूनों का उल्लंघन किया है उसको कड़ी से कड़ी उसकी सजा मिलनी चाहिए.
An NDTV Bureau report.